I'd like to call forward Mr. Kunal Ahuja to please, sir. Hello, welcome.
Well, as I said earlier, India is going global. India is moving forward. We are very glad to have her here, and I would like her to help us launch this People's Phone.
Thank you so much, the Spice family. It's really a true, genuine pleasure for me. I think he's an amazing man, a true example to all of us. And like he said, today I'm here to launch the People's Phone. This is the first phone, I think, in the world which is available at such a price. I think it's less than 1,000 rupees. And I think the nice thing about this phone is obviously, I mean, today is a technology culture. Everyone has mobile phones, they need them, they use them. But there's still a little bit of a price restriction in certain classes, in certain groups. So this is a phone which I think everybody can afford. You know, big families, they're worried about their children going to school, they can't contact them. It's something now that, you know, nobody has to worry about. It's good for me, I've got 6 sisters, so I can keep in contact with all of them. And thank you so much all for coming, and it's really a pleasure for me to be part of the family today.
We'll have one picture. They're all five. Katrina.